A father welcomes the prodigal son. In this video, we are going to ask 3 questions. The subscribers can answer the questions given in another video titled Prodigal Son Questions. Subscribers within the age of 45 will be asked these questions. They have to answer within the date 15th April 2021, either by postal address or email address given below. Emmanuel 470 V Road, Thuthukudi 62 8002 or mwas800@gmail.com. Gifts will be sent to those who send us their address as well. Congratulations. Now come to the story. A father welcomes the prodigal son. Once upon a time, there was a father. He was very rich. He had enormous landed properties and huge number of cattle. He had 2 sons. One day, the father called his elder son and told him to go to the field to do farming work because harvest was coming near. He told his dad, the elder son told his dad that he had another urgent job, so he is not able to do that work. Next, the father called the younger son and told him to go to the field and find the harvesting work, how it is going on. He said, "Okay, Dad." But he took his friends away for another drinks party. In that time, elder one came back. He had finished the work as assigned by his father. The eldest son told his father that though he had not agreed to do his job, he did it well. He felt sorry for not obeying his words at first, and he asked his pardon. The youngest son came too late, staggered due to full drunk, told that he did not have the time to go to the field. Friends necessarily insisted him on attending an urgent drinks party. He felt no sorry. Instead, he expressed his joyful occasion in attending fun party with all the friends as never experienced before. He simply left him saying, "I did not have time." The younger son simply ignored his father what he had advised. Although the elder son first had refused to go to the farm, he felt sorry and had done what he was advised. Every day the younger son made it habitual to go out for drinks and come home late hour at midnight, drinking with his naughty friends and enjoying in the prostitution. He was often spending his father's money lavishly. The father advised his son to correct his wasteful spending, and he had not listened. The next part you can see in next video.